Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is me Sharma, and today I'm going to show you this hairstyle. It's a snake low one hairstyle. Everyone doing this hairstyle nowadays, mostly the Bollywood stars Deepika Padukone, Anushka, Sharma, Alia Bhatt. This hairstyle is so easy to do, but it gives you a very beautiful, elegant look. And if you like my makeup, then see the video red and black eyeshadow POHELA BOISHAK makeup tutorial. The link will be given in my description box below and also the first comment of this video. And you can also see the video right now by clicking the eyeball right hand corner seeing on the video right now. So let's start it to this video. First, comb your hair and remove all the knots and tangles from your hair, and then do a middle partition. If you want, you can do side partition too, but I will do middle partition here. And then take a elastic band and do a low ponytail. Okay, I did my low ponytail. You can see how I did it. And now I'm going to twist my ponytail like that. But you can see there is hair end coming out. I have layer cut on my hair. That's why my hair ends are coming out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a hair gel. Use any kind of hair gel. Took some gel on your hand and then apply it on your ponytail. After that, I'm going to twist my hair. Twist your hair tightly and then twist it all over the hair band and tuck the end under the bun. To secure this bun, now I'm going to use U-shaped bobby pins. Yes, you have to use U-shaped bobby pin, or you can use normal bobby pins, but it's better to use U-shaped bobby pin. Here I have used like 6 to 7 U-shaped bobby pin. It depends on your hair length and hair thickness. Okay, you can see there is a hair ends coming out from my bun. So what I'm going to do, I will secure it with another U-shaped bobby pin. Okay, much better looking right now. For more finishing look, you have to use hair spray when your hair gel will goes dry. Okay, now I'm going to set my front hair. You can see I have bangs on my hair. So now I'm applying hair gel on my front hair. After applying gel, comb your hair and then make it smooth with your hand. Using bobby pins to secure my front bangs here. And that's it, my snake bun is ready. Make sure your bun is tight so that it stays all day long. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to give a like to this video. Okay, after ending this hairstyle, use hair spray all over your hair. You can also use some flower. Fresh flower will look good with this hairstyle, but here I am using a artificial flower, black in black color. Okay, that's it. That's the end of our today's hairstyle video. This snake low bun hairstyle will look absolutely stunning. Give a try and look how it look on you. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video till the end. See you in my next video, and if you didn't subscribe back my channel, then please do subscribe and help me to grow. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz. Love you all.
Thank you.